Hi guys, so now I am going to tell about functions, types of functions and pointers. So what is a function? A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. It helps in reusability and modular programming. Syntax of a function is a return type function name parameters. Uh, no, so next we have advantages of function. Reduce code duplication, makes code easier to debug, improves the readability, allows reusability. So advantages of functions are yeah, we can easily debug the code and we can duplicate. We can make easier the code. Duplicate also. Next types of functions, library function and user defined function. So library function is predefined in C. Example like printer, scanf. User defined functions are created by the programmer to perform specific task. Library function means which are in the code, like example printf and scanf. User defined means a programmer which gives the code is called user defined function. So next we have categories of user defined function. Function with no arguments and no returns value is a part of user defined function. Functions with arguments and no return values. Function with arguments and return value. Function with no arguments and return values. These are four types used in user defined functions. These are very important. These four types. Introduction to pointers. Now we are going to see about pointers. A pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable. This stores the address of another variable is called pointers. This is the syntax of a pointer. So syntax data type pointer name. Example in a is equals to 10 into p is equals to ampersand a. This is the example of a pointer. This is a syntax. Next, now uses of pointers access memory directly, pass arguments by reference, dynamic memory allocation, works with arrays, strings, and functions. Uses of pointer is like access memory directly, which access memory directly and passes arguments by reference, dynamic memory allocation, and these uses of pointers works with only arrays and strings and functions only. Next, pointers and functions. Functions can use pointers to modify values of arguments, return multiple values. Example, void swap is used here. Example, this is the example. Pointers and functions. Functions can use pointers to modify value arguments and return multiple values. So that's why pointers and functions are used. So summary, functions simply and organize code. So function is a simple and neatly organized. So it which can look the code nicely. Types of functions are there two types: library and user defined. Library means already they are used in a code. Already they are in a code, and user defined means a programmer which he can give a program or which you can write the program is called user defined. Pointer store address and helps in efficient memory handling. Pointers is store address. That's it. So yeah, thank you. The topic is completed. So functions, types of function and pointers. Yeah, I hope you understand it. Thank you.